How to fix Snapchat temporarily access disabled on iPhone. If you're getting the due to unusual activity, we have temporarily disabled access to your Snapchat account error on your iPhone, there are a few things you can try. First, stop attempting to log in repeatedly, as multiple failed login attempts can keep the security lock active longer. Next, make sure you're not using a VPN or any third party Snapchat apps, as these can trigger Snapchat's security system. To check that, open Settings, tap on General, scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. If you have used any VPN, then disconnect all the VPN. Another step, open the App Store, search Snapchat. Here, I already have the updated version, but if you have an update icon, then tap on that to get the latest version. Another way is you can also restart your iPhone and try signing in again using a stable Wi Fi or cellular connection. If none of that works, go to Snapchat's support page. Open Safari, then search support.snapchat.com. Here, you can ask your questions and it will give you the answer, or you can choose the options according to your problem. Then start chatting with the support team. If the error still appears, wait 24 to 48 hours before trying again, since temporary security restrictions are often removed automatically. And that's it. Most of the time, either waiting it out or using the unlock page at accounts.snapchat.com will get you back in quickly.